What's up, y'all? So, hi, I'm gonna show you how to do some cornrows because yeah, I've been seeing some videos where people are not doing them correctly and they're not doing boxer braids. Okay. All right, so I already did his hair, but I'm taking them down just to show you how to do a few of them. Do you know this boy want dreads? Ain't he too handsome? And he changes his mind real frequently, you know? He's been growing his hair out for a few months. So, I'm literally taking this down just for y'all. So I deserve some likes. And sorry if you hear the TV, my daughter's watching TV. Where's my detangling brush? I will cry. I'm going to cry because I need it for your hair too, mommy. Ain't her so cute? Look at this face. Look at your face. Her so cool. Look at this. Is this so cool? Okay. Well, I'm going to just use.
Can I see the remote? I'm the one watching TV.
I'll stop watching it too. Well, your hair actually grew out some. What I used was some clips to hold his hair over, obviously. Damn, you so far away. Here, hold up. Get up. Move! Alright, now sit this way. That away, yeah. Alright, yeah, this is good. Alright, so I use clips to hold his hair over. Wow. I use clips holding his hair over. Well, first, his hair was washed. You use some heat protectant to blow dry. I moisturize his hair. But I'm going to also show you what to use. And no, this is not a sponsored video. I'm going to show you what to use to fix dry scalp. You use some sort of shampoo that fights dandruff, and then you get you some Sulfur 8. And it's good to help stop itching and flakes. It's medicated. So I'm actually going to put some in his hair right now. I don't like using no oil on the scalp because it clogs pores. And yes, I did go to school for hair because a lot of people are smart asses. But anyway, I'm going to rub some of this into his scalp. Because I actually just went to the store and bought it because I didn't have it when I did his hair. You feel it tingling? Mm-mm. I used Rattail combs to part his hair, and it's always good to have a few combs like this with a sharper tip because it parts really well. Can't find my detangling brush right now, so. Oh, it's in the room on my, I'm gonna need it for when I do her hair. So I'm actually doing hers right after this. So they're getting it 2-in-1. Alright, I also made this because I want to do a test on this because I I use the edge wax for this brand, and it works really well. So this is it holds the cornrows, braids, twists, and locks. Natural locks molding paste. So let's see how this works. This is a test. So you get in a tutorial, 2 tutorials, and a product review. How about them? They gotta be able to see, babe. So I put about this much to put on the hair itself. And I do this to hold the hair together as I braid. That boxer braid shit been killing me. I'm like, yo, cornrow's been around for centuries. The moment Kim Kardashian or one of them where it's called boxer braids all of a sudden, and they're now all of a sudden popular for every culture, which is crazy as hell to me. Alright, so I'm gonna rub that up through his hair. Dude, I gotta grab this brush. Oh. Where my hair stuff that was sitting up there? Nah, I accidentally left it out. Brown brush. Where the brown brush? Us? Dumbass. My bad. Jesus. I'm not one of those people who edit all that stuff out. So y'all get to see the real deal stuff. I'm putting these on here. So this is my detangling brush. I show this all the time because I love it so much. I broke the back off. But I love this thing so much. It literally detangles hair with ease. I love it so much. I should be sponsored for all this, but my subscribers is extremely low. So, you know, they ain't gonna help me out. But anyway, I form the hair into like a mohawkish type ordeal in order to make the braid go the way I want it to. I just brushed the product through his hair too. This is a softer bristle brush. The best brush you could get for your hair is boar hair. That's natural bristle. It's softer. It costs a decent penny, but alright. I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to do this for them to be able to see this up close. Mommy, hit that light over there. You see how it's in a mohawkish type ordeal. So now, I like to braid it from an angle down, which is where even if it's in a straight rack. So you take 3 pieces of hair. You pull the first side over to the center, and again, you keep doing that all the way back. I don't know why that's so hard to explain, because it is. Alright, so this is getting pulled behind the center one. And you're collecting hair with the finger on the opposite side. Is that a better way of explaining it? Jaden. Was that a better way of explaining it? Mommy, if you was watching this, would that be a better way for you to understand? As you're going back, you want to collect hair. It's easier to just watch fingers. See how I'm collecting hair right here? And I'm pulling this behind the hair I'm collecting. Same thing on the opposite side. Pull over, collect some hair, push through. Same thing all the way back. You continue to do that till you're all the way down. Guess I might have to edit it. Get most of this noise out the background. Put some music or something. If I was fancy like that. I'm going to do this video and then cut it off and do hers next because this is going to be long. See, that's the braid thus far. Oh, and if you're ever braiding and you need to pick up more products because you feel like the hair isn't cooperating, it's easy to do. You literally just pick up a little. I really don't need to. But you pick up a little, and whatever piece of hair you feel like ain't cooperating, you put some on there and you keep pushing. If you were ever to stop a braid, because some people, when they stop a braid and restart, they leave a lump. So, like, alright, look, alright, I let the braid go. So when I go to restart it, some people actually accidentally leave a lump because they didn't pull it right. So what I do is I find exactly the hair that I was doing. I pay attention to what part I was on. So this shows me that I was on this side. So you carefully pull it through to where there's no lump or anything where the braid stopped at. Alright, now we're down at the bottom. This is where I am going to pick up product because I want to close the braid off. Because his hair is a little shorter and he used to have long hair and he cut it. Now I want to grow it back out. Anyway, so I put more product on there and now I'm going to finish the braid off. That way I'm not having to stick rubber bands. Oh, and to be warned, it's so slippery trying to do it this way.
Mommy, we need strawberries.
I was looking at strawberries, but why we need some?
It's for toothpaste.
Not just twist it off to where it's done. You can put your head up because I'm going to pick the camera up now. Alright, this is the braid that I just showed you guys. And now let it go right here. And as you can see, there's no knot or anything. And these are only going to be in his hair for literally like a day or so. Like that, you can see that they're rushed on because, again, I'm taking them out really soon. Probably tomorrow, actually. But I wanted to come on here and show you guys how to do it. My son did a video last night on my Twitter. And between me and you, I looked crazy. But this is it. Now I'm going to oil his hair down with this Sulfur because, again, he has dry scalp. So a thin layer down each part. Each part. Well, you see me do this one, but I just want you guys to understand how I want this to soak into his hair for when we start our next braids. And I'm going to record that too. I'm going to put plaits in his hair. So tomorrow's Friday, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm going to put plaits in his hair because he's able to step later. I'm now just massaging some, like spreading it into each other braid.
How to do that so fast?
Because I'm a beast, baby. Now what he would do is put his do-rag on. Where's your do-rag? I will rub Sulfur 8 in your eyeballs.
What is that?
The hair oil that I just got him. Well, anyway, he would wrap his hair up with his do-rag and sleep with it on. And then that's basically it. Say bye-bye because I'm ending this one and gotta do one for her now. All right, see you in the next one. I'm literally starting a new one after this.